Let me show you how to connect Pinterest ads to Claude for powerful ad performance analysis. I'll grab the MCP server URL from Insightful Pipe. In Claude settings, I'll navigate to connectors and add a custom connector with the Pinterest ads MCP URL. With the connector set up, I'll start a new chat and ask Claude for a comprehensive Pinterest ads performance report. I'm requesting a report covering account and campaign results, pin level performance, and key metrics like spend, impressions, saves, outbound clicks, CPC, CPA, ROAS, and conversions. I'm also asking for creative and format effectiveness, audience targeting trends, placement and device performance, geographic outcomes, and budget efficiency analysis. Claude is now assembling account data and metrics comprehensively. It's querying the Pinterest ads data and gathering all the necessary information. Claude has generated a full performance report as a presentation. The executive summary shows key metrics including total spend, impressions, outbound clicks, conversions, click-through rate, cost per click, and a 3.82x return on ad spend. The report includes prioritized next steps and action items, from installing the Pinterest tag for conversion tracking to scaling video creative variants and expanding geographic targeting to high-performing states.